instead of fixing it. Amazing, man. We were close. We was anywhere, I guess 150 is close to that, but I'm not 55 on the rear. Yeah.
Gently,
He's like, I want 80.
Hey, sit.
Up.
No, sit. Stop getting
She's
so
so
excited.
excited.
Now enough.
Okay.
Gently, gently.
Thank you very much.
I know, straight into the mustard, I love mustard. Love it.
Yeah.
Anyone? Are you on the road? You want us to take?
No. It would be weird if we drank that on the road. He likes mustard that much, but I don't think he likes it that much.
Hey, I don't mind them. No.
This is the dragon. I want to see the dragon.
Those velociraptors over there.
What's your name? Huh? Have a scratch? You want a scratch? No bite? No bite. I'll give you a scratch if you don't bite. No bite. You want a scratch?
Put them over there?
Dax, go get us a koala bear.
Put them over there?
Dax, go get us a koala bear.
Oh, that's soft.
That's it? You want to hold him or what?
No, he's really soft.
He's a little bit too
He did.
Small. Okay, my bad, sorry.
That's okay.
Oh.
Crap.
Can we get one of these?
No, I haven't got yet. What do you think of that, Ryan?
It's pretty cool.
Little koala.
It's like, it reminds me of holding Dax when he was little. Yeah. Wild, you have to tame him down.
The koala tamer.
Oh.
That's the name of the next car.
Yeah. Koala tamer.
Gentle. Alrighty, and the next person.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
I'm just trying to get into you.
Aaron got to keep one of those.
I said it's he was trying to eat the leaf.
Look at the pelicans. Woo, big ones. Those are giant.
God, look how big they are.
Huge.
It's a strong wing.
Oh, yeah, he's like Nemo. Oh, yeah, no, look, there's a Joey in there. Yep. Oh, my God. Come here, buddy. He's like, no, sir.
I'm getting away from that.
Oh, who's getting it?
Yeah.
Who's getting fucked up?
Somebody's getting rammed by these horns. I'm not sure who it's going to be.
Oh, he's got.
Yeah, it's going
That's the one.
Yeah, that little Joey.
Hey, buddy.
Punch him. Come on, punch him.
Boy, you're just kind of a attention whore.
Rico. Oh. I dropped it. It landed right there. So
There's a baby's face hanging out of that one.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good shot. That's trying to say.
Oh, aggressive.
Sir, why are you so aggressive? Doge. That's Doge. Oh, she's a sweetheart. Oh, look at her. So Ryan, what was your favorite?
I think truthfully, my favorite was the big red kangaroo that you couldn't really touch. He was the coolest animal that was here. But
The 6-month-old koala.
the little 6-month-old koala was cool. Also feeding the which I don't think was a kangaroo, but it was a wallaby.
Yeah.
With the baby in its pouch, and feeding the baby and the mom at the same time.
Yeah, that was cool.
Nice.
That was pretty cool. A bunch of stuff we can't do in the United States. So,
Yeah.
so far, I think for us, day one for us, Australia's a win.
Yeah.
Oh,
This totally makes
This
up
is
for
day
the...
one for us. Yeah.
Wrong fight. Totally forgot about
Day
it.
2 or 3 or 4 for some of these guys. Day one for us. So.
hey, nice job.
Yeah.
Hey, we're glad you made it.
Yeah. I'm not sure I was going to. but a couple
Against our
days
will.
later-
Hey, you didn't miss a whole lot.
Yeah.
Blistering heat on Monday was brutal.
Yeah.
Or Sunday, whatever day it was. But
I know. That's one thing that this traveling has done. This international traveling. I don't even know what day it is.
I don't either. I don't even.
My body don't know what time to wake up.
I don't know what is. Oh man, just sleeping for me has been brutal.
What'd you think?
What was your favorite, Sean?
I mean, I like dogs, but that's just a dog.
What was your
Yeah.
favorite though? Here,
Everything that we did here.
Man,
Koala, yeah.
I like the koala.
I mean, because the kangaroos didn't give us really a chance to, you know.
That big red kangaroo that was like,
Yeah. Those,
but he
He's
kind of
gonna grow
got
up in
back.
box.
He is.
He's gonna grow up in box.
He was sizing me up, and he looked at Sean. He was like, I think I could take both of them at the same time.
He probably could.
Yeah.
that would have been cool.
You could have kicked him in the face.
Oh no,
cool.
he could have kicked me in the face.
Kicked him in the
That's his job. Daddy can't do that.
It was
I'd
cool.
say the
I
koala.
think like double testing.
You know what I mean?
So now he
Look at our stuff. I could have swore I brought one. I don't think this ain't even got nothing to measure with up the back.
Hard to read, it's complicated.
I felt the same way all day long. Good luck, Joey. Yeah.
We got the tree.
Yeah. I know.
That's about as far as the way.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you. All the best, buddy.
Too. Huh? Make sure chairs. I'm going to get her. You all right? I'm good. Just make sure she knows what I'm doing.
Right now.
You want to take this? Or you good? Huh?
Oh, it won't go on the internet. I'm going to send it to you.
There's not supposed to be nothing in it.
No, there's an Allen plug in it. Oh,
Yeah. Is that what you think, Jeff?
Oh yeah, see it over here.
Okay. He says that the motor's crooked in there.
It's definitely crooked.
It's got the. You can see it's got the motor. Oh, it's all bound. Yeah, no, I can see the motor.
Then we try to take this to
You
the
know
shop.
how it is for me to fit one of these cars.
Yeah, you're.
Yeah, you know, but you know, you're right. You're 6 something, 6'4", 6'5".
If we found a front end, we could fix this.
We can probably get the front end off that car.
But at what point do we say? I mean, this is fucking stupid.
Like scabbing it.
Yeah, we're scabbing it for 4 races.
Yeah, right. Me personally, set it up, let everybody see it, and fucking meet all the fans. That's what I would do. You know, but I mean, I've been in this situation.
I don't know, man. Give us like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Let's figure out what happened to this
I
thing.
can go get the whole car and bring it down so you can use whatever you need, or even the whole bloody car. He said he will hire it for the whole rest of the time you're here. So,
I appreciate it.
Ah, that's greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
I'll hang around.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it's if we had 2 weeks between races, well, you could thrash and make something happen. You know what I'm saying?
Sure,
Like 2, 3, 4, 5 of us could thrash.
Absolutely.
You know, to do it, but when we're in Australia back-to-back racing each weekend with 40 hours of travel to the next racetrack.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh
to the
yeah,
next one.
that's another thing.
And
Yeah,
that's
we gotta
another thing. So
be
then
on the
we're
other
like,
side of the
where does this go? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. It's like the absolute worst time to crash this thing. the worst place and the worst time.
Either way, we'll support it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I get it. Also don't want to be absent from the show. You know what I'm saying?
100% right. You're exactly. That's what I'm saying. So it'll get clarity. Just take a few days to figure out. What's possible. I don't even know what's possible here. Is there anybody that Proline knows that could work on a chassis or anything in Sydney or Melbourne or wherever?
Well, our buddy Frank. Is Frank coming here today?
Yeah, he just called. All right, Ryan. Day one, we had a little hiccup here at Perth Motorplex. What are you thinking?
So we're here at Perth Motorplex. First day for us in Australia was our test day, and we got to meet some of the fans and things like that. On our third hit today, we had a little mishap after the stripe. After I shut the car down, it made a hard move towards the wall. Tried to correct it, couldn't correct it in time. We smacked the wall. Car, as you can see here, is hurt, but it is not terrible. It's fixable. I think we're going to end up taking it to somewhere in Melbourne to try to get it repaired, and that way we're still going to be able to we're going to do everything we can to try to make the last 3 races here in Australia. We're going to be here all weekend like normal. I appreciate all you guys that have reached out to say, are you good, are you okay? I'm totally fine, I don't have a scratch on me. But the car's injured, so it could have been a lot worse. After tearing it apart and moving the blower and the fuel cell and everything out of the way, I don't think it's going to take too much to fix it. So the biggest hurdle we're going to try to get by is just finding a front clip. The front clip for this car is, I'm not going to say one-off, because if we were in the States it would be hard to find, and we're here in Australia, so it's going to be tough. But thank you guys for reaching out. I'm totally fine. We're going to fix the car and try to be back out ASAP.
All right, thank you, Ryan.
Okay, is this? I didn't know if we were waiting on you.
No, we're good.
Yeah.
We're done.
Okay. All right. Yeah. That's fine. Chairs, skinny. You're up.
So this is what was in it. The blue line is what was in it yesterday.
Yeah.
Brought everything up from there.
Yep. How much? The blue line was where it was yesterday, and then you moved it up.
Like 50 RPM.
Okay. That's a very, and I'm not saying we don't do this, but that's a really subtle move with this.
Okay.
It'll probably go.
Okay.
If that's what you're shooting for, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying you're not. I'm just telling you what I know about what. So we'll do whatever.
Suggesting 100.
I'm suggesting. Will it go like it went? So okay, I don't know anything about that guy's car, but I know how fast this is. Even if it goes, you probably outrun it. That's what I would think. Was the car unhappy?
No. It just drove left. So I mean, we changed a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
We put some rear steer in it. We put some weight on the front, keep the nose down better. We, changed some shock settings, some strut settings, stuff like that.
What RPM are you leaving at? Okay. Wouldn't mess with it.
You like that?
Yeah, no, it's nice.
That guy's doing it.
Yeah, no, I get it.
We brought the sparks we got, and they did not.
That's the only hurdle, and you're on the racetrack. You're in good shape. It looked good.
Dude, that was a good one, bro.
Fuck, dude, I looked over. He's car and a half out on me, and I went, oh my God. Because they said that thing's going to 60 foot, 115, 160.
Yeah, 116,
yeah. And so I was like, I looked over and I went, oh my God. And plus, if you think about it, because I never thought about it before that pass right there, how many times in competition have I not been spooling up myself?
Yeah.
So instead, I'm the guy that doesn't want to go in and before he even lights up his second bowl. So I thought, oh shit, I'm not a turbo guy this time, you know? So I boop, boop, you know, and then I heard his car start spooling up, and it's hard to hear that thing over mine, you know, and then as soon as he lit his bulb, but I don't know who left first, but it looked like he did. Yeah, it was because he shot out of the 60 foot, and I went, oh my God, man. And then I was just like, okay, I mean, we're going, everything's cool, but I think I was watching him more than, you know.
They wanted to take my money.
You bet my money.
You're right. Well, that's why it was easy for me. It was easy. You know? It's easier to bet someone else's money,
dude.
Right?
Friday. Damn, what time is it? Oh, it's 4 a.m. yesterday in Oklahoma. I don't even know I have a watch. Why do I even have a watch?
Why is it set for Oklahoma?
I don't know, because so I can know when to call back.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
That's it. Though.
Yeah. You got AM, PM on that Casio?
No, well, it just says PM, but it's wrong.
Okay.
I'm too lazy to change it.
Learning a little something from us about lying.
We've been watching too much Street Outlaws. We come and flip coins.
Like, you want me to flip it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a quarter? Or is it
I'm not that smart, but that looks like a heads.
Yes.
Okay?
Good. Yeah.
Well, that's a tails? Okay, what is this right here, though?
That's the Queen.
That's the Queen.
Yeah. You know one that died.
No shit.
He just died, yeah.
Are you kidding me right now? That's really the Queen? Okay, who's calling?
I don't know.
You come the furthest.
I definitely come the furthest.
He did definitely drive the furthest or fly the furthest.
All right, but I gave you the hit.
I'll take that. Let's go for it.
That's heads. Anybody else want to look? That's the Queen.
All right. Give me a minute.
Straight and safe. You got this.
Don't worry, that is not a promo.
Yeah, that's not a promo. That's not.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
All right, put your hands together for Liz Houston right there with the heck of a pass. Nice job.
Loud when Jeff said I want I want to get the move, that means Jeff can sit there. Unfortunately, you know what I mean. But on Jeff's defense, when his car got on the two-step, he left. Like when it finally made the two-step, he left. So he didn't hang him out. It just takes his.
I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, I know. It just takes him that hard. It takes him that long to start.
Thank
Hey,
you.
good race. Hey, y'all were coming on the big end. We saw it.
Ty Kelly's going to get the win. Going to need to clear the starting line, though. Rocco into the wall. Clear out the starting line. So right now is the time to go get it. You'll be down momentarily.
Battery's not in here.
Battery off?
Battery's off.
Yeah, it smells like wiring. I can smell it.
It's burning wiring.
Air stuff? No, they do that. It's got air going to the back of the head.
Zach, one more.
On fire!
Hang on.
We know!
Blow it out with this. Yeah, we're good. It's out.
Don't spray that. Don't spray that.
Do not spray it. No, there's something underneath. It's like the puke. Puke goes under the puke tank.
It's the wiring.
Something lights. Yeah, the lights grounded out on them.
They won one! I assume they're just gonna drop my container here.
Yeah.
You okay with that?
Yeah,
okay.
no problem. Yeah.
We don't have we got what you could fit in a container as far as tools go, so like.
You can use whatever you want.
Okay, thank you.
So whatever's yours goes, man.
Okay. Appreciate that.